So I suppose I had this down as a guide. What it actually is don't be a dick like I was. And basically, I've got a Schuberth E1 with the Sena SC10U, and the SC is the important bit because it's designed for the Schuberth. When I say that's the important bit, I didn't run into all... Yeah, I did. I ran into loads of problems with it because I didn't read the instructions. Or I thought I knew best. So, for example, when I... Because I'm fairly technical, or I like to think I am, and I downloaded the app for it. I downloaded the Sena app and could never get connected. And when you look at the Sena app for the headset, when you look on, I was on the Android Play Store, there were lots and lots of bad reviews for it. And I suspect people did the same as me. They downloaded the wrong app. There's a Schuberth version of the app that you must use for this headset. If you use the Sena version, it doesn't connect. It'll never connect. Got to use the Schuberth one. So I expect all the people who said this app is trash have got in the same situation I was in, and I downloaded the wrong app, so it's my fault. Hands up to that one. Then, because I haven't used it for a while, I had this connected. I think I did a video about connecting the Sena GoPro Pack to it, and I did a bit about UHD mode and all that kind of stuff. And then I forgot about it, and I was desperately trying to connect the two together, and it didn't work. And I think the reason for it was I was connecting my camera, my phone, and the GPS. And when you cycle through the configuration, one of the configurations it gives you is intercom pairing mode. But that's not the right intercom pairing mode. But because I don't have any mates, and I don't go out, and I don't go out with people who've got Sena headsets, and I don't chat to people on bikes regularly, I kind of didn't realise how easy it was. I think I'm off at the moment, so if I turn on... So I'm on, and before this video, I deleted all my pairings. So we're on now, and it's basically a case of I'm going to turn the Sena GoPro Pack on, so that's going, and then if we go the minus sign for 1 second, you hear that sound, let go, and then do the plus sign once.
Intercom pairing.
And we go into intercom pairing. And I'm going to press and hold the Sena GoPro Pack. Press the pairing button until I get the flashing blue and red. And then it automatically, well, I didn't say automatically, it connects to that, and that's done. And I suppose the moral of the story is read the bloody instructions. Read the instructions, and if you've got the Sena kit to go with the Schuberth, I don't even know if I'm saying that right. They have specific apps for these versions of the Sena headsets. So if you try and use a Sena version, I don't think it'll work. Got to use the Schuberth one. And apparently, it's as simple as that.